Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Brawling with friends is the best way to enjoy Brawl Stars. But if you're new to the game, you might be wondering how to add friends to it. In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of adding friends in Brawl Stars. Let's go! With Brawl Stars' new update, there are a couple of ways you can add friends to it. The first one is using Player ID. It is a unique code or name that is assigned to every Brawl Stars player. You can find your player ID on the profile page, like mine named as Sweet Jigxor. Now to add a friend using their player ID, tap the Friends button on the main screen. This feature shows your friends list, as well as a suggested friends list consisting of players you have played with recently. On Invites, you can check invitations from players who would like to befriend you inside the game. To send a request here, tap the green button that says Add Friends. You have two options. Choose first the Add Player ID. Type in the name or code of your friend's account. Once done, click the Add Friend button and then confirm. They'll then get a notification to accept your friend request. Another option from the button is Scan QR. Every player has their own QR code. You can also find yours on the Friends tab. Now, to scan your friends, click the green button again and use your device's camera. Proceed by clicking the Confirm button. Lastly, you can also share an invite link. Brawl Stars also lets you share an invite link with your friends. You can find the invite link below your player ID. It's either you'll copy the link or send it directly to their socials. This link will automatically add them to your friends list once they click on it. That's it! If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye!